Hello everyone, this is Nico. And welcome back to another educational video where we dive deep into the intricacies of market making and high-frequency trading techniques. With a special focus on our trusted tool, meta_quant. The first topic we're going to discuss today is the concept of stop-loss hunting. A common practice in futures markets, stop-loss hunting is an impact-driven strategy carried out by institutional traders, who intentionally drive prices to levels where large numbers of stop-loss orders are known to exist, triggering those orders and causing a rapid price movement. This sudden burst of activity can significantly distort price dynamics and can present challenges but also unique opportunities for the informed trader. In meta_quant, we have specially designed features to detect these events and equip you with tools to navigate these scenarios effectively. Next, let's talk about volume execution analysis relative to price volatility. It's crucial to understand that price volatility and trading volume are closely interconnected. Increased trading volume, particularly at key support and resistance levels, often leads to increased volatility. Conversely, lower trading volumes can suggest a less volatile market. With meta_quant, we analyze these two variables together to give you an edge in predicting future price movements. Moving on to the vital aspect of liquidity analysis. Every transaction in a market requires both a buyer and a seller, and liquidity is the ease with which these transactions can be made. It can be measured in several ways. By looking at bid-ask spreads, order book depth, or trade volume, among others. Meta_quant provides a comprehensive view of all these measures, enabling a deep, nuanced understanding of market liquidity. Our fourth topic is the high-frequency trading technique known as quote stuffing. This controversial practice involves flooding the market with large numbers of orders and cancellations in very short periods. It's designed to create uncertainty and confusion in the market, potentially to the advantage of the quote stuffer. It's a complex phenomenon, but fear not, meta_quant's advanced algorithms help identify and navigate such manipulative strategies. Finally, we will touch on the importance of a combined reading of the depth of market, DOM, and the order flow. DOM provides real-time information on buy and sell orders in the market at different prices, while order flow reveals the actual transactions that have taken place. Each provides a different piece of the market puzzle, but used together, they can offer a comprehensive, real-time picture of market activity. It's a combination that's hard to beat, and that's why both are incorporated seamlessly in meta_quant. Remember, the markets are an ecosystem. Understanding how all these elements interact is key to successful trading. Meta_quant is designed to provide the insight and the tools you need to thrive in this complex environment. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's session. I hope you found it enlightening and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. I always love hearing your thoughts. Until next time, this is Nico, wishing you successful trading.